Do you want to get rid of the emotional pain that you may have got? Do you want to get rid of the emotional pain effectively? If you have tried a lot of things till now, these are the things that I am going to share with you are surely going to work. Hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on how to get rid of your emotional pain. So these are certain points that are according to me. I'm not saying that everybody might be sharing these same things, but these are the points that I feel can help you relieve from your emotional pain. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me tell you one thing. In life, whatever happens, people usually say, oh, don't take that on mind, forget what happened with you. Let me tell you, see, whatever you go through in your life, each and everything you remember in your mind, you can never forget anything that happened with you. So it's actually a false saying that forget whatever happened and enjoy your life. That's just a thing that's easy to hear. It's not easy to do. Okay, so forget that. Also, one more thing I'd like to say is emotional pain. For emotional pain to dissipate with time is going to be the best healer. Time is the best healer. With time, it's going to definitely lessen. But for now, what you can do, that we will see. First thing I feel is just forgive that person. No matter if anybody has created this emotional pain for you, try to forgive that person and move on. Yes, you will not be able to move on. You will still feel the pain. It is fine, but move on from that person. If you keep on continuously going to that person, if you keep on giving yourself that same atmosphere where you got that emotional pain, it will be difficult for you to get out of that pain. Okay, so if somebody has given you very bitter pain, try to distance yourself from that person. If a person gives you pain, how is it that you are going to stay happy with them? So just distance yourself from that person. There are several methods that can help you to get a relief from emotional pain. Like you can do is you can try meditation, you can try EFT. I have several meditations that I have uploaded, which you can definitely go and listen. You can also download them and listen on your mobile. EFT is a very good method that I have already shared with you. Just try to do it. It's excellent. It's excellent. It's really good for helping you to release all that emotional trauma and suffering and pain and everything. One affirmation that I can share with you, it's a very simple affirmation. Today itself, start doing this at bedtime and wake up time. The affirmation is, I am feeling good, I am feeling very happy. Okay, this is a very simple affirmation. There is no mumbo jumbo about it. But once you do it, in 24 hours, it will start showing its effect. Okay, so that is one thing. See, as I said, time will heal. So initially, if right now you are very much troubled, with time that trauma will heal. But for now, definitely you will need something to release that emotional pain. For that, try this affirmation that I told you. Repeat the affirmation like 7 to 10 times at bedtime and at wake up time. And try to do it for like a few months, like 3 to 6 months. Then definitely the effect of time will take over, so you will feel less pain. See, when you try to, yes, there is this saying that if you share your pain, it can lessen. But sometimes, you have to be very careful with whom you are sharing. There are some kinds of people, there are some people who are very close to you. And if you go and share with them, they will listen to you once. But if you keep on whining, if you keep on crying over one thing, just again and again, they are going to actually check you. They are going to tell you, stop worrying, do something else. And there are these other kinds of people who will, if you share with them, and every time you go and meet them 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, they will talk about your painful experience. See, the thing is that you are trying to forget that pain, you are trying to think something else. As I said earlier, you cannot forget anything ever, but you can divert your attention towards something else. So if there are some people who are continuously going to remind you that what happened with you, oh, this person did not do right with you. Yeah, they did not do right, but what then? What next? You want to get out of that pain? Stop thinking about it. Stop talking to people who continuously keep on reminding you that you had that pain in your life. So if people that are very close to you, tell them, that not to remind you of that same thing again and again. And yeah, so that is what you can do. See, one thing that helps you is, suppose you are going through tremendous pain. At that moment, if you continue to be at your, I don't know, where you might be living, your home or your place, wherever you are, if you keep on sitting alone and just keep on crying and just thinking over it, it's going to drive you nuts. It's going to be very difficult to handle. So what to do instead is try to change your atmosphere. Try to tell your friends, few of your friends that you can select to be with during this time. Tell them to cheer you up during the journey. They are not going to talk about your pain over and over again. Okay, you are going to change your atmosphere, change your surroundings, take a trip, take a vacation, maybe go to Disneyland, go to some beach or some place which is very new and unique to you. So this can be where, it's not like your current atmosphere. So definitely there's going to be a lot of exploring. There is going to be a lot of shifting, the mind shifting that you will have to do. Because if you go for a vacation somewhere, and if you are hiring a vacation tourist guide or something, they're not going to let you sit and chill out in your hotel. That person is going to kick you. Hey, tomorrow be ready at 9 a.m. We are going to go out to Disneyland. So yes, go out to a different place. Now it just depends on you where you go, depending on your budget. Even if you are short on your budget, try to visit some nearby place. That is going to change your mind, okay? Because see, whenever you change your surroundings, somehow you and your mind will be forced to adapt to the new change. And when you are going out with your friends to a new place, they don't know what has happened with you. They will try to act normal with you. You will also be forced to act normal with them, which is actually good, okay? So that is going to help you to pull you out of your painful thing that you have had, and it's going to help you to divert your attention. Mix with people that are not going to remind you of that pain again and again. Yeah, try to mix with people. If there are people who are who really care about you, try to tell them, once you share your pain, once they support you, once they emotionally and morally support you, it's fine, it's good. When you were in that mode, when you were in that disturbed mode, they actually supported you. And yeah, but then tell them that you don't want to cry over that same experience over and over, so not to remind you of that experience. Okay, now some of you may say, oh, but we cannot run away from that experience. Yes, you cannot run away, plus you cannot change anything about that experience. So what is the use of crying over the same thing again and again? Oh, this person should not have done to you, this is so wrong, this and that, and it's just going to make you feel all the more sorry for yourself. What are you going to do feeling sorry for yourself like forever? It's good, yeah. Sometimes, everybody is in that whining mode. Even you were in that mode. Fine, lock it there. It's over. Move on. Yeah, divert your attention. You will never be able to forget that experience, but every time you think of that experience, divert your mind towards something else, something that makes you happy. Okay, so yes, so this is the video on how how to get rid of emotional pain. I hope that this video helps you, and let me know in the comments what do you think about the points that I have discussed here, because yes, I know some points may be a little bit too extreme to take, but yes, that's what I feel is right. And yeah, let me know. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.